How to remove paper trading from TradingView. Disconnect paper trading account. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove or disconnect your paper trading account from TradingView. If you no longer want to use paper trading or you'd like to switch to a live broker, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly. First, open TradingView and sign into your account. Then, open any chart and go to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. If your paper trading account is currently connected, you'll see it listed as your active trading account. To disconnect it, open the trading menu in the top right corner of the trading panel. From the menu, click Log Out Paper Trading. TradingView will immediately disconnect your paper trading account from the chart. After disconnecting, you'll return to the list of available brokers. From there, you can connect to another supported broker, reconnect your paper trading account later, or simply close the trading panel if you don't want to use any trading account. It's important to understand that logging out of paper trading does not delete your paper trading account. Your virtual balance, trade history, and account settings remain saved. The next time you connect to paper trading, your account will be restored exactly as you left it, unless you've reset the account. If your goal is to permanently remove your paper trades from the chart, disconnecting the account is usually enough. If you also want to erase your virtual balance, open positions, and trading history, you'll need to reset your paper trading account. Keep in mind that resetting permanently removes your paper trading data and starts you with a fresh virtual account. Here's a pro tip. If you're switching from paper trading to live trading, double-check that you're connected to your actual broker before placing any orders. This simple habit helps prevent accidentally placing simulated trades when you intended to trade with real money. And that's how you can remove or disconnect paper trading from TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.